I wanted an island for my kitchen, and I wanted it to have a stainless steel top, but to buy it, it was way too expensive, so I thought I'd make it myself. I started with a pre-cut pine board that I bought from Lowe's that was about the same size as the stainless steel film that I bought on Amazon. The board was a little bit longer, but I measured and cut off 3 inches. I wanted the stainless steel to wrap around the edges of the board. For the legs, I measured and cut 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 inch pine boards to 32 3/4 inches. Using wood glue and brad nails, I completed 4 legs. For the shelves, I cut 1 by 3 inch pine, making 2 boxes, which I glued and nailed in place. I made 2 of these shelves. I attached the legs to the outside of the bottom shelf. Then I flipped it upside down and attached the top shelf the exact same way. For the bottom shelf, I measured and cut 9 1 by 4 inch pine and glued and nailed them into place. For the sides of the island, I added 1 by 3 inch pine cut to form the shape of a V, and I glued and nailed them on each side. For the feet, I cut squares out of 1 by 3 and then attached casters to those squares. They were glued and nailed in place on the bottom of each leg. I laid the top in place and measured around to make sure that it was an equal distance. Then I nailed it in place. I carefully laid the film on top and smoothed it, pulling the film a little bit at a time and smoothing it into place. For the edges, I bent the film over the sides and stapled them in place. I folded the corners as you would wrap a gift and stapled those in place. I finished the island by staining and sealing all of the wood. It looks really great in my kitchen. I hope this inspires you to create a piece of furniture for your home.